guys the new magic eyelashes that I came across. It's 4 easy steps. It comes with instructions on how to put them on. It comes with a mirror and 3 pairs of eyelashes. That's the first pair. Here's the second pair, and it's also an eyelash case. And then it comes with the third pair, the exotic ones. Comes with an eyelash curler. This, super easy. It comes with its magic mascara. Then it comes with the magic eyeliner. Press this down all the way it goes. If you shake it side back and forth from the top, it will release the eyeliner gel faster. And it was less than a minute. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my mirror, take it out, and all I'm gonna do is go ahead and put a light coat of eyeliner. And then I'll do the other side. Oops. Okay. There, the eyelash curler, just put this down, and then you just put your eyelash there, and you squeeze, and it curls it. Now we'll get the mascara and put the mascara on. A light coat, just so your lashes don't fall down. And I really like this one better than the magnetic. The magnetic I feel are too heavy, and your eyes seem to look like if you have a lazy eye. You grab it. And you just put it on. Voila. Now let's do the other side. You don't need any tools. It's just really simple. I usually line up the end first. And then after I do the end, the wind is not letting me work too well here. You have your eyelashes. No messy glue, no magnetic, making you look like you have a lazy eye.